I think it's a fantastic thought. In fact, I was telling one of the jockeys on Radio Mirchi just now that I've always believed that reading is a very important part of growing up. And children should be exposed to books and more books.
They are kids and kids are very smart today. So, we're just trying to give them notebooks. So, they use that for their education. And we can just tell them our experiences of what we've gone through in life. Apart from that, we are more here to learn from them.
There's so many kids who grow out of books, and those books are just lying around in their homes and nobody's there to read them, and they're just piling up and accumulating in one corner. And Book De Ke Dekho, I think, has brought those books out of homes that were lying in corners and have reached children who are underprivileged and needy and who will enjoy and appreciate those books. बच्चों से मिलना हमेशा बहुत खास होता है, मजा आता है. You get to see how they know and how much they know and how little they know sometimes. But I think the one most beautiful thing about meeting children is the happiness and the exuberance they have. Well, I think it's a great beginning. I also think that now that the books are there, we need to teach kids how to read them. And Doorstep is a great facility. They've got a school that is on wheels. They go from village to village teaching children. I think it's a great initiative. And I really hope that this entire legacy that Radio Mirchi has begun continues henceforth and doesn't end today on Radio Mirchi's birth.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Mirchi. Happy birthday to you.
मैं बहुत बड़ी किताबी कीड़ा हूँ. इनफैक्ट आप मानेंगे नहीं कि जब मैं बड़ी हो रही थी, मैं चश्मिश थी, एक कोने में बैठी रहती थी और सारा टाइम किताबें पढ़ती रहती थी.